I think it's about time for a solo trip. A lot of people who say that you're supposed to jump straight into bus life, straight into solo travel, and then you're gonna figure it out as you go and it's gonna be wonderful. You won't be scared anymore. But I'm still scared. So I went on my first trip with friends, and then I go with my family places, and now I'm gonna be by myself, kind of. I'm going to Skooliepalooza, and there's gonna be hundreds of other bus lifers there. But technically I'll be living in the bus alone, so I count this as another step forward. There's a lot that I have to do to get ready for Skooliepalooza because the bus has been stationary for a couple months, starting with the fact that my water's empty. So I'm gonna go fill that up really quick. Are you kidding me? Gotta pull the bus forward like 3 feet. Oh my god, it's getting everywhere. I feel like there are easier ways to do this. Okay, new plan. New plan. I've decided that this thing sucks. Okay, careful because when I turn on the hose, if it's weird again, it'll pop out and then it can go anywhere.
We're safe.
Yay! I'm going to the middle of the desert and this will probably get dusty again, but just for good measure. Disgusting. Everything is wet. My plumbing leaked. Everything is... Oh my god. My plumbing is broken again. What is that? Something electronic. I think it's the box for my camera, but I don't know if my camera's in there.
Oh, good. Thank God it's waterproof.
The bottom of my tool bag is soaking wet. Look how awful that looks.
Yikes.
I know, I don't even know what to do.
At least the sunset's pretty.
Right, the bus is an absolute disaster because of the whole water exploding on the floor incident. But I still need an oil change and check my tires before Skooliepalooza. So a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, and we are on the way to go do that with stuff all over the floor. Vanessa's helping me monitor. Say hi, Vanessa. Hi. Because she's an angel. Getting an oil change in a bus is a game changer because Vanessa's just sipping coffee, working on her laptop. We have snacks and a couch. I've got fresh oil in my engine and I don't leave it till the day after tomorrow, but I'm going to go ahead and fill up my water jugs at the gas station so that I don't die of dehydration. Is it okay if I fill up my water jugs here? Thank you. She's literally the cutest thing. So life is just really trying to keep me from going to Skooliepalooza because my tire just exploded at the car shop. But I have a warranty, so it's fine. It's very dark and I've been going down a washboard road for like 10 minutes or so, but I can see like light up things. Like a very tiny carnival and I'm getting nervous. Like I'm actually getting nervous as I get closer, but let's go see where I can park for the night. This is crazy. I'm actually here at Skooliepalooza. I can see all of the buses parked everywhere. I can tell it goes down a lot farther, but I just parked right at the entrance. I want to make something for dinner. Honestly, I just want some chips and guac. That's like all I really want right now. My jewelry fell over and it doesn't look like any damage was done, but I'm definitely gonna have to secure that. It was pretty bumpy on the way in. Oh, my fridge is a disaster, isn't it? That's okay. I just don't feel like cooking anything because I'm pretty crooked tonight. but I'm leaving first thing in the morning, so I don't really want to go through the effort of like leveling blocks. I'm also a little bit scared to leave the bus right now. I don't know who's around me. You know, stranger danger, life of a solo female traveler. This is crazy. Like my first actually solo trip. Now this trip right here is the longest I've ever been away from home by myself. So it's not that far, but it's a big step for me. It's bedtime, but I'm really, really excited to go explore tomorrow, and I'm really, really excited to move my bus into a spot where I can get to know the people around me, like in my own little neighborhood. I'm really excited to meet new people. It's gonna be great. I left at like 2:30, and I got here at like almost 9 because the bus is slow, so it's been a long day. Good night. It's not even all the way light yet, but I think I'm gonna start making myself some breakfast so I can be prepared to move as soon as the sun's up. Hi, friend. I also have the heater turned on because it got down to like 50 last night, which is not bad at all. I turned off the heater before I went to bed, and I woke up and it was a little chilly, but not bad at all. I just don't want to waste my diesel fuel by having the heater on all night if it's only getting down to 50. Wow. What a pretty morning. Oh my gosh, this sky's like golden. I thought it would be like super scary to be by myself, but it actually feels really peaceful. Like, I mean, it's just me and Cassie just hanging out. I was very, very nervous for my first solo trip, but so far it's going really well. And this is also only the first night and the second day. So check back in a few days and I might be absolutely losing my mind, but for right now, doing pretty good. I'm so glad my dad helped me fix the heater. He did such an amazing job. It's been keeping me so nice and cozy. I love it. Got a big bump. I don't know where I'm going. I'm hoping to find other girls who are just like alone in their vehicle to park next to feel safe. I'm hoping I can just ask around and see if there's any like groups, like neighborhoods. I don't know. It's like a little city. Oh, there's another truck. I'm so sorry. Please wait for me. No, you know what? You go first. I'm so sorry. I have to wait longer. Oh no. Oh, look how cute. Oh my god. They are the cutest things. Look at them. I'm just gonna have to go for it. Otherwise I'm never getting out of here. Oh, it's gonna hit them. Oh wow, the art on that bus is cool. Oh my god, there's chickens. There's literally chickens. Good morning. Are there specific areas to park?
Loud or quiet?
Probably more quiet.
Quiet's further down that way, loud is right here.
Right here. I think I heard it last night. I was way by the entrance.
Yeah.
Oh, hi cutie. Hello.
He's like, I got a friend.
Traveling farm. That is so cool. Thank you guys. Bye, sweetie. Apparently there's a pirate ship and that's where all the music is coming from. This is so cool. There's a really cute little lavender school bus. I'm in my school bus era. Follow your dreams. Skooliepalooza. Oh my god, I want to make friends. Stop. Oh my gosh, there's tapestries inside. I want to make friends. I'm not in the middle of everyone. I've got like a little cliff on this side. And then there's a really cute little lavender school bus. Okay. I might go walk around. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's do this. The start to my first solo trip has been a success. I don't know anybody, but everybody here has been really, really awesome, and I cannot wait to make an entire video just on what there is to do here and what it's like and what you can expect if you want to go. But for now, I'll see you next time, and please like and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.